Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing something a little bit different for this video. It's not a weekly vlog, but I'm doing like a series of like hairstyles for like a little hair tutorial type video. Obviously Valentine's Day is coming up, but it doesn't necessarily have to be for Valentine's Day. It could be for any sort of event, or if you just want pretty hair for the day. So I've teamed up with GHD for this video, so thank you so much for sponsoring. So they've just come out with their new GHD Unplugged. Honestly, I had no idea I needed this until now. This is amazing. My hairstyle right now was the last look that I filmed, which is like my slick back look. I feel like I had to include it in this video because I wear it so much, but the first look I did was like more of like a beachy, effortless, waved look. I absolutely love it, and that's literally exactly what I do whenever I want my hair down and like wavy, and this was perfect for it. I don't know if it's the cord that throws me off using a straightener to curl my hair, but I found that using this to curl, because it's obviously cordless, made it so much easier to like kind of like maneuver the hair around the wand, and just, I don't know, like you'll see, it literally took me, I reckon it would have taken me under 8 minutes to do my whole hair. The battery life on these ones are 20 minutes. So when they're fully charged, you get 20 minutes and then they die and you've got to obviously recharge it. It comes with a charger, which is over there because I had to charge it before I used it. And I actually completed all 3 hair looks using just the one battery. I didn't have to recharge it or anything like that. So yeah, so light as well, and just like, I don't know, it just fits in your hand really nice, and it's just obviously perfect for on the go. It comes in a little heat-proof case where you can just chuck it in and just pop it in your bag. I'm going to be doing 3 hairstyles using the GHD Unplugged. They have given me a discount code as well to share, so I'll make sure I leave everything down below for you guys, and let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so I've purposely let my hair air dry, do its thing. I haven't touched it. I washed it yesterday. Didn't put any tools in it. This is just how my hair typically dries. I don't really like to spend too much time on my hair anyways. The quicker and the easier, the better for me. So I thought this video would help some of you guys out that are time poor, or you just want a quick and easy job like myself. Okay, so first hairstyle I'm gonna do is just bouncy, loose curls. Comes in one of these heat-proof cases. It takes 45 seconds to heat up, so I'm just gonna turn it on. And then I'm just gonna take little small sections and then just go ahead with the straightener. I've learned from my hairdressers that you always should be curling downwards when you're curling with a straightener. So I'm gonna grab a bit of hair, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to rotate it like this, and then just slowly move with the hair, and it should create a nice, like, I don't really like really tight curls, so I feel like this technique is perfect for me, and that's literally it. I'm gonna do another one. The slower you go, I feel the tighter the curl is. If you go really fast, it doesn't really have time for the curl to kind of like develop and then like kind of stay. So did that one really work? Hold on, let me do that one again. So down like this. There we go. Okay, I think I've got it now. And then it'll come up as the curl. Love that. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. This is like a test. Let's see if I can do all 3 looks with the 20-minute battery that it has. Okay, so I've just done the first layer. Now I'm just gonna do the second. Just curled my whole entire head. Now I'm just going to give it a bit of volume, and I just kind of like use my fingers to go through all the curls and smooth them out. Okay, so here is the final look. I sometimes like to put this part like behind my ears a bit. I personally like the more messy, beachy, sort of undone curl look. I also will add that I did go in 2 different directions. So even though I was curling on this side, I did flick the hair outwards, and then some strands of hair I would flick inwards, so it was like inconsistent. And then some strands of hair I would grab that's really thin, some a little bit thicker, just so they're not like completely perfect curl. And the other two options are updos. So you guys know I love my slick back look, so I'm gonna do like a pony, and then I'm gonna do like my signature, I guess, slick back bun. Next look I'm gonna do a mid to high pony with a couple of strands out. So what I'm gonna do is I always part my hair in the middle. You're gonna wanna need like a smoothing brush, something really similar. And then use the brush. I'm gonna secure it by just grabbing the top and then the bottom of the ponytail. It kind of gives it a little bit more volume. So I'm just gonna do that. And then with these bits at the front, I'm gonna curl them a little bit more. So I'm gonna grab my straightener again and just do a really loose curl. Temperature of this one goes 185 degrees, which is the optimum temperature that you should be using on your hair. So anything hotter than that actually will damage your hair. Anything cooler than that won't be really effective and it won't hold your curls. I'm just gonna grab a little bit more hair because I feel like I just need a little bit more like volume. Okay, I've just done it. And now I'm just going to brush through just to soften them up a little bit. This is cute. I actually love that. If you're not into like curly side bits here, you can definitely straighten them. What I would do is I would straighten them and then kind of like curl them down the bottom so it kind of frames your face in a little bit. That's what I would do if I wanted like straight side bits. But that is the next look. Love that. And now for my signature bun, I'm just going to put a thicker scrunchie in my hair. The thicker the scrunchie, the more volume your bun is going to look. So I'm just going to tighten that with the scrunchie like this, and then I'll just go like this with my brush, and then maybe I'll stay like this. Wrap it around, and then I sometimes like to keep a little bit of hair from the pony onto the side, so I'm just gonna bring it kind of like this, and then I'm just gonna secure this, and then where did that hair go? Just kind of bring it out. Next look, cute little bun, and then I'm gonna do another variation of the bun but with these bits back. I'm gonna grab my brush. There you go, that is the third look done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want more videos like this, definitely let me know. I can maybe even do a makeup look similar to what I've got on today. And don't forget, I do have a discount code with GHD, so if you want to treat yourself or treat someone else, you can use it. I'll leave everything down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.